Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Open house May 18th and 19th. Exceptionally maintained and updated rare 4-bedroom, 1-story home with formal dining and a separate office far away from all bedrooms on a huge plus 13,000-foot lot within the master-planned community of Falcon Ranch. Breakfast and kitchen areas open to an oversized living area. High ceilings, new tile flooring, quartz counters, AC, water heater, fence and upgraded new tiled shower. Comes with refrigerator and 2 large flat-screen TVs. Dream location with no neighbors behind and zoned to highly rated Katy ISD schools. Back patio opens to a massive backyard with total privacy. Walk to elementary school, pool, tennis courts, walking/biking trails throughout the neighborhood. Minutes to La Centera, Katy Mills Mall, Texas Medical Center and loads of restaurants. Please independently verify all measurements and come see why this home is so special.